Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing of this new coloring book that I got. I ordered this off of the TikTok shop. It's from this artist called Raw Sushi. I love her. I used to love watching her drawings and stuff like that. And so I do have one of her coloring books, and this is a new one that she came out with. It's the deluxe edition, and it comes with volume 1 and 2. It came with this flyer, and then on the back is supposed to be this paper protector. I thought it was gonna be, I was excited because it was pink, but I really thought it was gonna be like a silicone one, but it's just like you know, like a flyer, but that's all right. I think this was $33, and you get not only this, but you also get the digital, the digitals of these, which is cool because you can like color in here, and then if you want to color the same one again, you can, you know, print it. So I'm going to show you guys a flip through. I'm trying to cover the QR codes because I don't want to give those out, guys. You know, this is an artist's work. So, and then we have this one. So it's like all of volume 1 and then 2 together. Look at how cute with the boba. And then I think she has like games and stuff like that that you can download as well with the QR codes. They're so cute. If you dream it, you can do it. If you can't believe it, you can pursue it. I'm probably doing like the worst job of covering these QR codes up. Let's see. But anyways, it's really cute. And then we have this one, which I colored on here before in my other book. This is another one that I colored. I love the girls that she draws. They're so beautiful. I love her style of drawing. So let me know if you guys want to see a color with me. We could do a live and color together. I really am thinking about start doing coloring videos on my TikToks. Go live on TikTok. And you are beautiful. Look at how pretty she is. So cute. So I'm proud of her. She's come a long way. She's got her own set of markers, all kinds of things. And I love that she's a woman of God. Look at that. Jesus loves you. I love that. Ooh. Hold on, guys. Got avalanches trying to happen. So I will put a link down below in case you guys want to purchase this. This was my first time purchasing from the TikTok shop, and it came pretty quickly. Look at and the paper looks like a good quality. I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know what I think. Look at how pretty that one is. So cute. Keep calm, trust God. I am happy. That one is so adorable. Stay creative. That one's so cute. Faith is believing in what you can't see. Oh, that's so cute, like a little Pikachu. So this was a good deal because you do get both of the coloring sets, and then you also get the QR codes to download the digitals of these. So you can just print as many as you like. So I thought $30 was a really good deal. And then there's a color test page. There's a thumbnail of all of them, so you can like practice and see what kind of colors you want to use. I think she said that there's one of each. Ooh. And then there's a word search. There's all kind of different things. I don't want to show her QR codes, guys. I'm sorry. So that's it. This is the name of it. Color and Chill Deluxe Edition. And again, it did come with this color protector. I thought it was going to be like a silicone one, but that's all right. I just love that it's pink. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Leave me a comment down below. And again, let me know if you want to see a live. Let me know if you'll join me live on TikTok to color one of these. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye.